Good morning, ENZC. I woke up this morning and got a bit excited. Went to my bar chart account, and there it is in the news release. This says 1 hour ago: Enzolytics and Lonza BioScience combine technologies to fast track development and production of anti-HIV and COVID monoclonal antibodies. And so I jumped into the PR here that came out from Enzolytics. Basically, what they were talking about is that Lonza is going to help fast track development and production of the anti-HIV and anti-COVID monoclonal antibodies. Lonza is going to be Lonza has a manufacturing partnership also with Moderna for their vaccine. So I mean, you can see some of that here. Right here it is right here. So here they are on CNBC, Lonza CEO talking about their partnership with Moderna to manufacture. There's also the article over here on NPR where Lonza talks about manufacturing the vaccine for Moderna. So these guys are tried and tested. Big stuff here. So when we talk about this, Lonza is going to be providing manufacturing, developability, stability assessment, process development, and produce a stable cell line. Now, this idea of a cell line is a bit complex for me. It seems like it's similar to a culture, but more advanced. I definitely recommend digging in deeper to that. I pulled up some articles here on Science Direct regarding cell lines to better understand it, but it seems like the real star of the show is the GSX expression system, which is Lonza's proprietary gig here, and it seems like it is super important in this. Enzolytics seems to be very satisfied with what they're going to be able to do by using the GSX expression system. It's going to be able to fast track the development time, and they're also looking to fast track the IND application for both the HIV and COVID. So I mean, just this right here, this collaboration is going to be insanely helpful for Enzolytics as we finally get to a point where we stop talking about forward-thinking statements and we start talking about real actionable things that have already been executed. And that's where we all want to see Enzolytics go, because we want that valuation to jump. And when you talk about valuation, I just for kind of giggles here, I pulled up Lonza's $71.40. Now, what Lonza does, what Enzolytics does, totally different, but it's always nice to see the value of the partnerships that we make. And so I think it's just really excited. You should jump into Lonza more. This is the Lonza BioScience website, but they also have a Lonza.com website, which is more substantial. It's a Swiss company, but they have operations in North America as well. Really exciting stuff here. I jumped into Lonza's Twitter account and getting notifications and following them. And one of the things I jumped into immediately was this PR from them. Lonza extends collaboration with this major biopharmaceutical partner for large-scale monoclonal antibody commercial supply. Now, I don't believe that's Enzolytics, but who knows? I mean, they do not name it. And also, it seems that from looking at this, Lonza is very seriously focusing on how to help with cancer. Here you have a dry powder inhalation delivery of monoclonal antibodies. Supply monoclonal antibodies. I mean, there's just so much going on. It's just an exciting time to be here, and I'm so glad that I'm with the Enzolytics family on this. I think we're going to see exciting things in the coming days. Y'all, cheers.